The controls for this pistol are, this is the magazine release, safety, double action hammer, single action when the hammer's back, and this is your barrel tip-up slide. Just push that forward, the barrel comes up. To ensure a weapon is clear, first make sure the weapon is unsafe. Remove the magazine. And check that the barrel does not have a round in it. For loading the magazine, these are 7-round magazines. You can put 8 in there, but they won't function with the 8th round in there. So you take your fingernail and you slide it down as you go, just one at a time. You just load them in there. So that's 7. As you can see, an 8th round will fit. However, your gun will not cycle with the 8th round in there because it will be too much spring tension. So, just stick to 7. Ugh. Load this, take your 7-round magazine, put it in, and you can either rack the slide, or you can tip the barrel up, and you can put in a round. Now you're ready to go. Take it off safe. You can pull the hammer back so it's in single action. To ensure it's clear, just tip up your barrel, ensure that there's no round in there, and close that, or you can remove the magazine, you can rack the slide back to visually inspect. If you're using the wrong type of ammunition, you might experience a malfunction. There's no extractor in this, so that round will either extract, but the next round won't be fed, or you can end up with a round stuck in the barrel. Well, not in the barrel, but the casing will be stuck in the chamber. So in this case, the round extracted, but there wasn't enough energy in the slide for it to actually insert new cartridge. So, now that I have the proper ammunition in there, the gun should cycle perfectly. And now it's clear. If you encounter a malfunction, it's probably because you're using the wrong ammunition, and you should try various types of ammunition rather than blaming the gun.
What's going on, Romeo?
Hey man.